This
replace
conference
function,
will
guys,
now
right?
be recorded.
Replace function. So its function name replace. Yes, yes. Let us see now about replace function, right? I'll open one ideally. Now I'm opening the ideally, guys, here. Ideally, yes. Now all of you observe. Now ideally is open, guys. Okay. Ideally is opened. Right. I'll take now one string. I'm taking one string something like st equal to. I'll take something on string, guys. St equal to Python Narayana. Yes, in place of Python, just I want to place, I want to replace Django. Then st dot st, right? I want to replace Django, right? So st dot replace of s dot replace of. So what I want to play remove from here Python, and I want the Django, guys. Python. What I want to keep here, I want to keep the Django. I want to take Python comma Django. So that so in the given string st, in the given string st, okay. So wherever Python is in, it will replace Django, guys. The given string st, wherever Python is there, in that one, the Django will replace. Django will replace, guys. Okay, will replace. Right. I'm going to click enter. Now all of you observe. Yes, Django Narayana came. Right. Suppose, guys, in the same string, I'll take the string again, guys. I'm taking the string again, the same string. Okay. In the same string now, st dot replace of st dot replace of, right? Suppose replace of, suppose, right? I'm taking now wherever, suppose, guys, wherever a is there, wherever a is there, right? Replace of wherever a is there. I want to keep nothing, guys. Just okay. Here no space also, guys. I don't want to take even space also. A comma. Just I taking the quotes without space also. I'm taking the quotes, guys. Okay. Yes. You are happened now. Just all A's are replaced, guys. All A's are replaced here. Now all of clear about the replace function. Now all of clear about the replace function, right? Okay. Yes, guys. It's about the replace function. Next one, now there, guys. Now how the index function. How the index function is next one function. We have an index function, guys. So what is the use of function? What is the use of this index? Okay, index function, guys. Yes. I'll go to the string. I'll go to the string. I take the same string, guys. I take the same string. I'll go to the string. I'll take same string here. I'm taking same string here. In the string st dot index of, I'm taking now st dot index of p, means I want to get the index number of p. How much, guys? 0. St dot, I want to get the index number of space. Index number of space means what is the index number of the space? How much, guys? 6. Right. Next one, st dot, guys, index of, but I'm a comma, right? I'll take suppose t, guys. I'll take the t. Index number of t, how much, guys? Index number of t, something, right? To 2. For the same purpose, guys, for the same purpose, we have I think st dot find guys, find of okay, find of t, right? Find of t guys, okay, find of t, find of t, same guys, find of t is the same, right? So we can use guys, we can use a both index and a find function for same purpose. Index and find same. Which one? To get the to find to get the index number of a specific character, guys. Index number of specific character, right? Suppose, sir, let's take the n guys for example. St dot index of index of n, sir. Then what n will come, sir? Because we have the two n's, sir. We have the two n's, right? Tell me, guys, now. Tell me now. So what n will come now? Right? I am taking the index number of n. Which one, guys? Here automatically from beginning onwards it will check now. Where is the n? Where is the n? Yes, n is there here. N is there here. That's why this index number will return, guys. That index number will return. Sir, I don't want the first index number, sir. I want second n index number, third n index number, fourth index number. For that one, guys, we create a user-defined function, right? So these all are the system-defined functions, guys, right? These all are the default functions. So each function has its own unique, its own purpose. We should use as per the purpose, right? But now what I want now, I want to find someone did not mute the mic. Okay, so I want to find the index number of second occurrence, second or second a, second y, like that. Write our own function. Write our own function. All of right. This index function find function. It gets the index number of the first occurrence, guys. See the first n, first 20, first space, like that only. Okay. So yes, guys. Right? The first n only will come. That is the which function? Index function, guys. Right? Index function. Right. While discussing the user different functions, at that time we'll see how to get index number of index number fifth n, third n, guys, index number of fourth n, index we'll see very clearly. Next, next one, guys. Next function. L, yes, guys. LS strip, LS stripe is there, guys. L, we can say L strip, LS strip, L strip, guys. Okay. Next functions we have L strip, R strip, guys. Strip, R stripe and stripe functions, guys. Now all of you observe. So why do how R strip, right? Use these things, L strip, R, R strip, then only strips, okay? Only strip, only strip. All of you guys, 1 second, guys. All of you, 1 second, all of you guys, 1 second. I think my voice is breaking, right? Yeah, all of can you hear me? All of can you hear me now? Okay, so fine guys, right? Now I am going to the ideally guys. I am going to ideally, right? Ideally here. So I'll take one string guys. I'll take some st equal to, I take some st equal to, okay. All of you guys, 1 second guys. All of you 1 second. Now all of you hear me now guys? Now all of you hear me now everybody? Now all of you hear me now? Yes guys, okay. Yes. Now all of you observe. All of you observe. I'm taking one string guys. I'm taking one string. One string. I'm taking some space also in the string guys. I'm taking some space like this. Okay. I'll take just a Python guys. All of you observe. I'm taking the string before and after the characters. I'm taking the space. That's also as part of the string only. Okay. String only. Now suppose observe. I'm going to print okay. Suppose we are learning comma which one guys will take the st guys. I'll take the language like this guys, right? Language. That's all up, right? So actually what happens here, I've taken the st is a one variable, right? One variable guys. So now we are learning st variable or st variable value. That value will come automatically here. So Python language, right? We are learning Python language guys. We are learning Python language, okay? Python language, yes. I click enter. Now all of you observe. Now all of you observe. So what happened here? So here this st has a lot of spaces before after Python. That's why all spaces came like this guys, okay? Now we are learning Python language, right? Now I want to remove the left side spaces, right side spaces, or both the spaces, guys. Okay. Now, so what do I do now? I'll take now st dot. What is st? St means we know this Python, right? St means Python. St dot. I'll take now L strip, guys. Okay, L strip. Okay, s dot L strip. Right, L strip. Okay, L strip. Then we'll take now new variable, or write a new variable into st1 guys, for example, right? st1 okay, st1 then let us see the same string guys. I'll take the same string now. I'll take the st1, right? st1 now all of you observe. So what happened guys? Now what happened here, all of you? So initially st means this string, right guys? This string which are having both left side right side spaces are there, right? Now what is happening here? On the same string, I am applying the L strip, right? Now, so what are missed guys here? See, in the previous case, left side spaces are there. Now we don't have left side spaces, guys. If you use the L strip, then it removes all left side. L means left, guys, left side. It will remove all left side the spaces, guys, right? The spaces. If you want to observe now, I am going to print only st1 now. I print here only st1 now. See, st1 left side not there, and right side, guys, right side, see, right side it is there. There is my cursor stopped here, guys. Means the data up to here, the data up to here. So if you use the L strip or L stripe, then the left side spaces will remove, guys. Okay, I'll have this one, right? Now what do I do? I'm going to again same string. Now observe, I print here st, I print st here. Yes, see, on left side, right side, right spaces are there, right? Spaces are there. Then, so st dot, I'll take now r strip, guys. Okay, r strip, r stripe into one new variable, or else take same also, no problem, guys. Then of taking this one, now I am going to print, right, print which one? Suppose, guys, we are, right, we are learning which language, guys? st means Python. I'm taking now language, guys, like this. I taking now which one? Python language. Okay, yes. Now what happened, guys, here? So st means both here left side space are there, but in this case, what is happening here? If I use r strip, now what is happening here? Right side spaces are removed and left side is there, guys. When I use the r strip, the previous case when you use the L strip, at that time what happened here? Left side spaces are removed, right side are left. But now right side are spaces are removed, trimmed, and the left side spaces are left. I want to remove both the sides. I want to remove both the sides. Both the sides. Then, guys, right, I take the same string again. Same string. Right. Then we'll take st dot which one? Strip, guys, or stripe. Okay, into same variable st equal to, right, st equal to. Now I am going to call the above same print, guys. Now all of you observe. Now so st see, no extra spaces are there, guys. No extra spaces are there. No extra spaces are there, guys. All of you observe here. So L strip, R strip, and strip, guys. L strip, R strip, and strip functions. And strip functions, guys. All of right. So I think, guys, you are understanding here, right? So in the print, when I use the strings, guys, when I use the string between strings, if you want to use variable, then, guys, we should use commas, right, to concatenate which one? The string and the variables, guys. The string and the variables. If you want to use a single printer, then string comma we take the variable name. String comma variable name, guys. Variable name. See, the same way, in the same way, we can use one more way also, guys. Suppose observe now, I'll take normally name, okay, name, guys, name equal to, let's take nth, okay, nth, guys. I'll take the, just observe, guys. Now I'm going to explain about this print now. I'll take suppose institute name, I name equal to nth. Okay, I'll take the suppose course equal to, guys, course equal to, I'll take Python. That's all. Okay, that's all, guys. Now what I'm going to print here, we are learning Python in nth. That's what I want to display, guys. Just I'm taking the comment here. What I want, we are learning, right, Python, that variable value Python in nth, in nth. This is what I want to print by using about two variables, right? Then how to print, then print of we are learning Python. So Python is the value of which variable? Value of course variable. then take the comma. What's variable name? Course, guys. And comma over. Next string. What string here? In again quote over. Again comma. What's variable name? I name, guys. Is the variable name. Is the variable name. Now all of you observe yes, guys. Now all of you are clear this one, guys. All of you are clear this one. All of you are clear. See, when you have the more number of variables, then we have to close the string, take the comma again, close the comma, right, again start the new string, close the string, second string, again comma. See, this type of headache is there, guys. If you have the one variable, no problem. If you have two, also no problem. If you have three or four, five variables, then always closing the quote, start the comma, write the variable, again close the comma, start the quote. It's a kind of headache process when if you have the more number of variables. If you have write more number of variables, okay. Then guys, here to make this one simplify, to format this one simplify, to format this one simplify, then we are going to use a function called format function, guys. We're going to use which function? Format function. Set format, guys. Set format function. How? Now observe here, right? Print off. I had the same. We are learning placeholder in placeholder solve. I'm not taking C, guys. Actually, we should take here which one? This course variable, right? Course variable. We should take here that I name variable. I name variable. But I did not take in those variables directly. I have taken some curly braces, empty curly braces. They're called placeholders. Placeholder. After string over, I take now format of yes. Now in the first placeholder, what variable value you want to pass here? Course variable value. The second placeholder, what variable value you want to pass? iname. So this is the first variable, second variable, right? So those two variables I take in the format function. So we'll take now course comma I name, guys. Course comma I name. So we'll take which one now? We'll take here the course comma I name, guys. Course comma I name, right? Now click enter. Yes, guys. See, instead of writing here, see, we are taking the right string, comma variable, comma again new string, comma variable, like this, guys. So but what I am doing here, I am taking the only one string. See, only one time only the code setting, guys. Only one time only. So code started and right code ended. That's all, guys. And the middle, wherever you want variable values, I'm taking the only placeholders only placeholders, guys. The first placeholder, what variable you want to pass, take that one, first variable here. The second placeholder, what value you want to pass, take that one as a second variable, guys. Take that one as second variable. So here the order is important, guys. Order is important. Suppose if I take in the reverse case, guys, if I take in the reverse case, like so print off. So we are learning. So I'm taking here in like this. I'm taking now format of. I take first, suppose I name, guys. I'll take next one course. I'll take the question. I'm taking the variables different order. Now what is happening here? The first variable value going to first place holder automatically. The second variable value is going to where? Is going to the second place holder, right? Second place holder. So now we are learning, and what the value here? Course value. What's the value here? I name value coming here, right? NTH. So we are learning NTH in Python. See, guys, that of meaning changed. That's why here the order of variables most important, guys. Okay, so in this case, suppose if you take the different order also, no problem. If you take the different order also, no problem. The thing is, we have to use the index numbers, guys. We have to use the index numbers. Index numbers. So in the format function, this is the zero index number, guys. Zero index number. This is the one index number. Okay, right. That means what I'm trying to say here, I'm taking same order only, but this I name I want to go where, guys? Actually, this I name going to the first place holder now automatically. This code is going to second place holder automatically. That's what happening automatically, right? But we should send I name to the which one second place holder course to the first place holder. This is what we should send. That's why what do I do? Actually, I name is the index number 0, course is the index number 1. So now I use 0 here and I use the 1 here, guys. 1. I use the 1 here so that what happens here, right? So I name at 0 and 0 is taken here so that this I name value will come here. And course is the 1. I have taken the 1 here so that that course name will come here, right? So now what do I do here? Yes. So I'm going to take now this one. I'm taking here 0, guys. Index number 0, sir. See, when you take the index numbers, if you take the different order, guys, if you take different order of variables, then now you can manage with index numbers. You can manage with index numbers, guys. You can manage with the index numbers. All of you can observe here. All of you can observe here. This format function we write in different ways, guys, that we see later. Right, we can by using percentage, yes, by using only f. So different ways are there about format function that we'll see later. Okay, yes, guys. Now all of clear about this format function now. All of clear about this format function, guys. All of clear. All of clear about this format function. The format function will send the variables to the placeholders automatically. It will not check the order, guys. What order following? It won't check. Blindly it will send the first variable value to first placeholder, the second variable value to the second placeholder. It send automatically. Okay, as a programmer, as a developer, you should take care of the order. You should take care of the order, guys. That's all. Okay, fine, guys. It's fine now. Now let us see here what is a string concatenation, guys. String concatenation. What is a string concatenation? Suppose, see, this plus operator, guys, this plus symbol we can use as a we can use as a which one to perform the addition operation, to perform the concatenation operation, guys. Concatenation operation. Okay, right. Fine. Now all of you observe, all of you observe, all of you observe. Yes, here Tiwari, Sonia Tiwari. So please explain some coding questions in each topic. So still we did not get the coding. We are in the still basics only. The coding questions will come when you start the main topics. Here there is no possibility of coding questions, right? If you wanted the code, you should know minimum for loop. You should the minimum conditions we should know. All of you got my point, right? If you wanted the coding, you should know minimum which one the for loops and if statements. So once these data structures over, then we start the coding concepts. All of clear, right? Just wait for a few days. Once this data structure over, DS topics, string, list, tuple, set, dict, then start the remaining all coding only. To read those coding concepts, these are the basics. To read those concepts, to read the codings, these are the basics. This string, list, tuple, these operators, these are all basics. Clear? Are you clear, Sonia Tiwari? Okay, yes, just wait for a few days about the coding. So to read the coding, you must be very clear about these basics. Okay, yes, guys. Now let us see string concatenation, guys. Means I take a string1 equal to suppose guys I'm taking the Python string2 equal to we'll take the Narayana guys. Okay, I've taken on Narayana here. Yes. So between this is what is string guys? What is the type of string ST1? Tell me now. Type of ST1 guys, right? Type of ST1. Which one? Red string. Now type of ST2. Which one? Same, right? String only guys. Both are string only, right? Both are string only. Now between these two strings, I'm using the plus operator. Plus operator. What does it do? Does it perform addition operation? Does it perform concatenation guys? Tell me now. What does it do? If I use a plus operator between two strings, what does it do? What does it do? Yes, guys. It performs the concatenation. Concatenation, guys. Concatenation. Because both are the integer, sorry, string type values. Both are the string type values. So that's called the string concatenation. You can take a number of strings, guys. String 1, string 2, string 3, string 4, string 5, like that. We can take a number of strings. But between all, we use the plus symbol only. We use the plus symbol, right? Next one, guys. One more is there. String multiplication, guys. Multiplication. Suppose I'll take the string 1 into Python, guys, right? Python. ST1 into I'm taking the 3, guys. What does it mean? Means this ST1 will repeat 3 times. Will repeat 3 times, guys. Okay. So see Python, Python, Python. All of clear, right? So the string repeating 3 times here. Why I have taken the 3, st1 into 3. So this is called the string concatenation. This is called the string multiplication. Multiplication means repeat same string a number of times, guys. And here we have one more subtopic is there, that is packing and unpacking, guys. Packing and unpacking. Packing unpacking, guys. Yes, a string packing and string unpacking is there. String packing and string unpacking is there. So what is the meaning of packing, guys? What is the meaning of packing? Packing means gathering, right? Gathering or collecting, guys. Packing means gathering or collecting. Unpacking means distributing or separating, guys. Or separating. Okay. Suppose observe here. I'll take some strings, guys. I'll take suppose st1 equal to or simply guys a equal to suppose some x for example, right? Some b equal to some y, guys. Some c equal to some z like this. Okay, z. Now so packing means gathering all the variable value string values into a single string, guys. Suppose in a x is there, right? In a x is there, in b y is there, in c z is there. Now I want to collect the data from all the variables into single variable means now finally what happens here, this xyz must be taken to a new variable. Suppose m equal to, guys, m equal to like this means from abc means from different variables I am collecting the data and making as a single string into again new variable, guys, into new variable. All of clear, right? All of clear. This is called packing, guys. Packing the data. This one two ways we can do, guys. Simply you can take a plus b plus c. That's all, right? Through the concatenation you can do it into some m equal to, guys. Right? M equal to. Then what is m, guys? Here what is m? See x y z same. All of it x y z only here. X y z only, guys. Right? X y z only. Okay. This is one way, guys. This is one way. The second way is by using join function, guys. Join function. How it performs? Let's see now. Dot join of all of observe join of. I'll take now here a comma b comma c, guys. Or else let me take directly a comma b comma c. So what's the meaning here? From A, B, C, I'm taking the data and joining, right? Joining. And see, between every two characters, do we have any space here? Any space or any comma? Anything is there? No, nothing, guys. Nothing is there. Means here I'm taking before the dot quote quote, guys. That's all. Quote quote. Just here. Even space also not there, guys. Space also not there here. Space also not there here. Okay. Now I take to all of observe here, all of observe into one variable. I'll take the some m equal to, guys, m equal to like this, m equal to. I explain this one just to explain. Okay. Now error came. What's error here? It's saying that join takes exactly one argument only. But how many given? Three given, guys. What does it mean, all of you? It's saying that join takes exactly one argument. Means join takes only one argument only. But how many given? How many given? They are given three arguments. Okay. Now let's go there. Let's go there. This all I'll make as a one argument like this, guys. One argument, right? Now all of you observe print of m, guys. Now x, y, z came. How it came, sir? How it's possible? How it's possible? Yes, guys. What is the meaning of this quota? I'll explain now. What is first a value, guys? A value is the x. What is the b value taken? B value is the y, and the c has taken z. Okay, z. Yes. Now all of you observe join of a, b, c. Before join, what is there? Quotes dot, guys. Quotes data means first of all take the first variable value. What's first variable value? A means x, guys. Okay, so first x came. First of all, what came here? X came, guys. X came. After x, now all of first of all, what came here? First variable came, guys. First variable value came first time. This is over. Now it will repeat now. Which one? Now what is there here? Nothing is there. Nothing is there. So nothing is there. Nothing is there. And take the second variable value. What's second variable value? B. Right now, B, guys. What's B value? B value is the Y, right? B value is the Y, guys. Okay, Y, right? Y, guys. Y over. Right. Next one now. Again, anything is there here? Nothing is there, right? Again, nothing is there. And take the variable value c. What's variable value c here? What is c here? Z, guys. Okay, z like this, x, y, z. So first time only a variable comes, variable value. Second time onwards, it repeats, guys. This is right. This whatever you're taking that one, that repeat with every variable, guys, with every variable. For example, the same one, I'll take the with the space, guys. I'll take this underscore. I take underscore here. Let us see what happens if I take underscore. Print of m, right? Print of m, guys. M. Yes. Now all of you observe here. What is a variable value is the x, right? X, guys. X. B, right? B value is y. Then c value is z. Okay, z, guys. Right. First of all, what happens here? A variable value come automatically, guys. First of all, or a variable value x, right? X came, right? Okay. Now second time, first time a over, right? Next one, what is there here? Two underscores are there. So two underscores and what second variable b? What's b value? Y, right? Y. So two underscores y, guys. Two underscores y. Two underscores y. Next again, two underscores. What's our variable c? What's c value? Z. So again, two underscore z, like this, guys. So first time only variable will come. Second time onwards, within the codes whatever we have, that one with variable. Again that one with variable. Like that, the combination repeats, guys. Combination repeats. All of right. All of clear. Now I'll try to take one more example, guys. One more example. Yes, guys. I'll take here some st1 equal to let's take suppose Python, guys. Okay, I'm taking the Python. st2 equal to, let's take the Django guys, okay, Django. st3 equal to, let's take Flask, okay, Flask guys. st4 equal to, let's take suppose ui, okay, ui, that's all. Now, so I'm taking now, I don't want any space between all the words, so just only quotes, quotes dot join of, right, we take the st1 comma st2 comma st3 comma st4 guys, into a new variable, some st equal to, at st equal to guys, st equal to. Now, so first what happens here, what's first variable, st1 what st1 value guys, at Python. So first, right, Python guys, Python will come first of all, okay, Python will come guys, first variable value came. Now this one will repeat this empty space and st2. What is there here? Nothing is there. So it doesn't take anything else. Nothing will to take nothing. And st2, what is st2 here? Django, right? Django guys. Now the Django will come here. That Django will come here. Over. Again, it will repeat. What is there here? Nothing is there. And with the third variable, right here, nothing is there, guys. No space, no commas, nothing. But third variable value at Flask, guys. Okay, Flask. Again, next one. So what is there here? Nothing is there. And with the fourth variable, guys, right? Yes, nothing is there here. What's fourth variable value? UI, guys. That's all. UI, okay. So first time only first variable will come, second time onwards whatever you take here, that will repeat with every variable guys, every variable, right, every variable. Yes, let's take now print of st guys, print of st, right. Now I'll take the same one guys, I'll take the same one. I'll take here, I'll take now, I'll take here suppose some space guys. I'm taking two spaces, I'm taking now, right, two spaces guys. I'm taking out two spaces. All of you observe clearly, right? So first time, guys, what is first time? What's first variable? What is first variable? st1, right? st1 comes first of all. What is st1 here? Python, okay? Python came, guys. Now second time onwards, it will join, guys. It will join. Already first Python is there. For Python, it will join, guys. It will join, right? It will join. This combination will join, guys, for Python, okay? Now Python is there. For that Python, sorry guys, okay, what's first variable? st, right? st1. I'm taking the Python, enough. Now for this Python, what happens here? This will join, guys, right? What is there here? Space and st2 will join now. What is st2? Django, right? Means space Django will join. Space, guys, right? Space Django, okay? Space Django joined, guys. All of right? The space Django joined for the which one? Python. Over. Next one. Next one, right? Again, space st3 will join, guys. What is st3? Flask means space Flask will join. Okay, we'll take the space and the Flask, guys. Flask joined, right? See the space Flask joined. Next one, right? Empty space and st4, guys. What is st4? UI, right? UI. Now space UI joined, guys, right? The space UI joined. All of you can observe here. So the space coming between sorry, before the second variable, before third variable, before fourth variable, guys. All of right, because this space repeating with second variable onwards, guys. Now all of you are clear the join function. All of you are clear join function. Joining, guys, right? First variable come automatically as it is. Now second variable onwards, it will join. It will join, guys. Second variable it will join. So all of clear, right? You try some examples, guys. You try some examples. Then you can easily understand, guys. While trying, you take road examples and you try, guys, and analyze the what is happening. Analyze it. What is happening? Let's call which one, guys. So you can take simply. You can take simply this one, guys. Packing means a plus b plus c. That's fine. But when enter they asked don't do the concatenation to perform the which one packing. In an interview, our student wrote like this only, a plus b plus c, but they ask don't write the concatenation to perform the which one packing. Use the join function. Then guys, this is the way. If you use the join function, this is the way, guys. Okay, you try it, guys. You try it, right? There's the unpacking. Then what is unpacking, guys? Very simple. Unpacking means suppose one string is there, one string is there. Suppose Python, guys, right? Python is there. Now what I want now, see entire string, entire Python in one variable, right? One variable, guys. Now what I want now, I want take p into separate variable, y separate variable, t separate variable, h separate variable, o separate variable, n separate variable. I want distribute, guys. Means from one variable to I'm taking to multiple variables, guys. That is called unpacking, right? Unpacking, guys, right? So what is the length here, all of you? What is the length? What is the length here? All of what is the length here? Length means the number of characters, guys. 6. So we take the 6 variables, guys. A, B, C, D, right? D, E, F. Okay. 6 variables equal to ST, guys. Equal to ST. Equal to ST, right? Now in ST, guys, in ST, what is there? What is there? This Python is there. So automatically the first character will go to first variable. Second character Y go to B variable. Third character T go to C variable. Fourth character H go to D variable. And O go to the E and N go to the F, guys. Like that, it distributes automatically. This is called a string unpacking, guys. Unpacking, right? Now all of you observe what is the print of A is the P. What is the print of B, guys? B variable value. At print of B. What's B here? Y. What is the print of C, guys? What is the print of D? What is the print of E, right? And what is the print of, guys? Print of I think F. See, right? Python, guys. Okay. In observe here, Python. All of right. So Python is single string, but now in different variables, right? All characters are there, guys. So here the main condition is what is the length? What is the length? 6. We should take the same number of variables only, so that every character will go to a separate variable. If you take more number of variables, if you take less number of variables, it will create problem, guys. It will throw error. It will throw error, right? For example, guys, now all of you observe. I'll take the same string. We'll take the same string, guys. I am going for same string, right? Same string, but I don't take all the variables, guys. We don't take all the 6 variables. I am taking here only few variables, guys. I am taking now just 4 variables. At 4 variables, guys. Then what will happen here? Now all of you observe. All of you observe here. Yes. So in this case, PYTHON and ABCD is there. So here the P will go to the A, right? Y will go to the B, then T will go to the C, and H will go to the D, guys. And how many remaining? 2 remaining characters are there. 2 remaining means we're expecting 6 variables, guys, because of 6 characters. But how many variables came here? Only 4 came. All of it. Here 6 characters are there. We're expecting 6 characters, 6 variables for 6 characters. But how many coming here? Only 4 variables came. Now see the error. What's the error here? Too many values to unpack. Too many values to unpack. Right? How many here? Expected 4 only. Means there are so many characters are there, but you're expecting only 4, guys. We are giving the 4 variables. We are given the 4 variables. Means you're expecting only 4 characters only. You are given the 4 variables means expecting only 4 characters only. But how many values are there here? Too many values are there. Means more number of values are there. More number of values are there. All of them point, right? All of clear this point. It's saying that see the error is saying very clearly. there are too many values to unpack, but expecting only 4. Means you're expecting only 4 because you're given the 4 variables only. Means expecting only 4 values, but how many are there here? 6 values are there. Expecting only 4 variables. That's why what's error here? Value error, guys. Right now, I'll take the more number of variables, guys. I take same string. I'll take more number of variables. E comma f comma g comma h comma I, like this. Right now, also again error came. What's error here? See, not enough values to unpack. The previous is saying that too many values. It's saying that not enough values to unpack. All of observe clearly. In the previous saying that too many values are there. Now not enough values, guys. Not enough values. Here, why too many values are there? Because they're expecting only 4, but here more than 4 are there. More than 4 are. That's why it's saying that too many values. And here it's expecting 9 values. Expect 9 values. But how many are there here? Less than 9 are there. Less than 9 means not enough values, guys. All of right. I'm expecting 9 values also. I'm giving 9 variables. 9 variables. That's why not enough values to unpack. How many expecting here? You're expecting 6 values, right? But you got only, sorry, you're expecting 9 values, guys, right? Expect 9 values because you're given the 9 variables. But how many you got here? You got 6 only. You got 6 only. So what's the key point here? The key point is the number of variables must be same as the length of the string, guys. Length of the string. So what is the length here? Length is 6. So we should take the 6 variables only. Then only unpacking is possible. If you take less than 6, more than 6 means length of the object. If you take the variables less than length of the object or more than length of the object, it will throw error, guys. Which error? This one, value error. Value error. Now all of you clear about this unpacking. All of you clear about this packing, unpacking? Yes, guys. Okay. Fine, guys. You also try, guys. You also try, and these are most useful to write the main programs, guys. These are the most useful to write the main programs. Okay. So almost this is the string, guys. And tomorrow we start the list topic, guys. We start the list topic. The string, there are again some subtopics are there, like mutable or immutable. Okay, string comparison subtopics are there. The subtopics we will discuss after this 5 concepts over, guys. There are some common subtopics are there for string, list, tuple, set, dicta. There are some common subtopics are there. So once this 5 over, then guys, by comparing this 5, we'll discuss some common topics so that understanding is very easy. Okay, right. So thanks so much, all of you guys. Tomorrow, same time, guys, same link. Thank you, all of you. Bye.